Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create dynamic actions in Salesforce. This is a powerful feature that helps us create customized page layouts based on user rules, record types, and conditions. Let's get started. On the Salesforce dashboard, to create a dynamic action, all we need to do is click the gear icon, the Quick Settings button in the upper right corner of the dashboard. From here, we just need to click Advanced Setup. This is where we can find all the basic and advanced setup options in Salesforce. Now we just need to click Object Manager and then choose a label. For example, let's choose Opportunity. Once we find Opportunity, we click on it. Next, we need to click Lightning Record Pages, which is listed on the left side of the Opportunity page. From here, we will see a new option. We need to click New Lightning Record Page so we can create a new page. This will take us to the Lightning Pages creator. We will choose Record Page, for example. Then click Next, and we will name this page Sample. Next, we will select Account as the object. Once we are done with this window, we just need to click Next. Here, we can choose from the available standard layouts. We will go with the header and one region layout to keep things simple. In this section, all we need to do is click on these fields, and we will see the dynamic panel appear. This is where we manage our dynamic page components. All we need to do is add a component here. We will drag it into place to add a dynamic action. This is now our dynamic action. We can edit it by adding a custom label. For example, experiments, aligning the fields, and setting the component visibility. We can also add filters if needed. Once we are happy with our edits, we can click Save. That is how we create a dynamic action in Salesforce. With this feature, we can make our Salesforce pages more intuitive and user-friendly.